Hello, I'm in a 2014 Honda CR-V, and today I'm going to show you how to reset your tire light. So it looked like that symbol there. Mine turned off, but say it's still staying illuminated when you've got the vehicle in the on position or all the way turned on, then you'll need to reset it. So first, obviously, you need to go around the car and check all 4 tires in your spare. Make sure they've got proper air pressure, which you can find the amount you need either on your door frame here, or every tire will also have a suggested pressure, probably somewhere in the like mid 30s to 40 range. But that said, once they're all up to pressure, you'll start the vehicle, and then on this particular model there's a button right here, and we're gonna press and hold it for a few seconds. So I'm pressing and holding it, and you will see the tire light flash here in just a moment twice. That's it. So on yours, after that flash, you should have seen your symbol disappear, which reset your sensor. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.